Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about parameters related to the boost converter. Okay, so in the last video we discussed about what is the V0 average. Okay, can we write the ampere second balance equation? Yes. So we know when switch is in the on state at that time. Yes, when switch is in the on state at that time, yes, IC is equal to minus I0, right? And when it is in the off state, at that time IC is equal to IL minus I0. Okay, so from this we can write ampere second balance equation. Ampere second balance equation, right? Ampere second balance equation. Ampere second balance equation. Okay, so here, yes, capacitor current IC during T on plus capacitor current IC during T off is equal to 0, right? This is a ampere second balance equation, right? But what is the IC when during on state? IC is equal to minus I0. Okay, so it is a minus I0 into T on. T on is a dt. Okay, plus what is the IC during the off state? It is a IL minus I0. It is a IL minus I0 into T off. T off is T minus T on, so it is a T minus dt we can write. Okay, so is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore we can write minus I0 into dt plus IL into T minus dt minus I0 into T minus dt is equal to 0. Okay, so here therefore we can write it as, can we take I0 common? Yes. Or can we shift all the I0 terms to the right hand side? Yes, it is a IL into T minus dt. Okay, is equal to what? I0 into, can we take I0 common after shifting to the right hand side? Yes, it is a dt plus T minus dt. Okay, so dt will get cancelled, right? So from this we can write IL is equal to what? I0 into T upon T minus dt, right? Can we take T common from this denominator? Yes, we can write. So therefore after taking T common we can write IL is equal to, therefore IL is equal to T upon T into 1 minus D, okay, into I0. T will get cancelled, right? So therefore IL is equal to what? 1 upon 1 minus D into I0, right? But this I0 is a I0 average, that is a constant current. Okay, so this IL will be your IL average. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is the expression for IL average, which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus D into I0, or we can write I0 is equal to 1 minus D into IL average also. Okay, so this is about the ampere second balance equation. Next, the delta IL, right? Ripple inductor current or ripple in inductor current. Okay, so next, ripple in inductor current, that is a IL, right? Ripple in inductor current, that is nothing but delta IL, that is nothing but delta IL. Okay, so here if you check, yes, if you check, yes, during T on, during T on, during T on, okay, so during T on, what is the VL? We know VL is equal to VDC, it is the same as that of the supply voltage, right? So what is VL? It is a L into DIL by dt is equal to VDC. Okay, so from this can we write it as, yes, DIL by dt is nothing but VDC by L, VDC by L, right? So from this we can write it as, what is the DIL by dt? DIL is nothing but the change in the inductor current, right? So how the inductor current is changing? It is a Imin to Imax. So it is a Imax minus Imin, change in the inductor current, Imax minus Imin divided by dt. What is the dt? Change in the time, that is a T on, is equal to VDC divided by L. Okay, so therefore can we write it as is equal to delta IL. Okay, is equal to delta IL, right? Imax minus Imin means delta IL is equal to VDC into T on. T on is dt, divided by L, right? VDC into dt divided by L, right? VDC into dt, that is the supply voltage, into dt divided by L, right? This is the delta IL, that is a inductor ripple current, right? Ripple in inductor current, right? That is a change in the inductor current, that is a Imax minus Imin, okay? Imax minus Imin. So here delta IL means what? Imax minus Imin is nothing but, yes, this difference, Imax minus Imin. This indicates the delta IL, right? Delta IL, either you can write capital IL or small IL, right? So this is the delta IL we're having. Are you getting the point? Okay. So this is about the ripple in inductor current. Next, can we write the maximum value of inductor current, that is the Imax or IL max? Yes, maximum inductor current IL, right? Maximum IL, okay, which is equal to, we can write it as a Imax, okay, which is equal to, yes, it is a IL average plus delta IL by 2, delta IL by, okay. So here we can write what is the IL average. Yes, you can say IL average is equal to what? It is a I0 upon 1 minus d. We have written IL average is equal to I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, so here we can write is equal to IL average means I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, I0 upon 1 minus d. So it is equal to, yes, I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, this is nothing but IL average. Okay, I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, plus delta IL by 2, delta IL by 2. Okay, further we can write I0 is nothing but I0 upon capital I0, right? 1 minus d plus delta IL by 2. Okay, this is the I max. Similarly, can we write I min? Yes, minimum IL, minimum IL. Okay, so we can write as I min is equal to what? IL average, right? Minus delta IL by 2. Are you getting the point? IL average minus delta IL by 2 is nothing but what? IL mean. Okay, so is equal to, we can write it as I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, minus delta IL by 2, minus delta IL by, right? This is nothing but minimum IL. Okay, next we can write IL average. IL average is equal to what? IL mean plus IL max divided by 2, right? Because IL is changing from I min to I max and it is a linear, right? Are you getting the point, right? So it is a linear we are having. Okay, so it is a linear. Okay, so that's why it is a I max plus I min divided by 2. Okay, I max plus I min by 2. Okay, which is equal to what? I0 upon 1 minus d. I0 upon 1 minus, are you getting the point? I0 upon 1 minus d. Okay, so this is about IL average, IL average, right? Next, IS, can we write the expression for IS? Yes, we can write IS. What is the IS? That is the source current. Okay, IS is same as that of the IL, right? IS and IS are same, right? Because when switch is in the on state, IS is equal to IL. When switch is in the off state, at that time also IS is equal to IL. Okay, so we can write it as IS average is equal to IL average, because IS and IL both are same. Okay, is equal to what? I0 upon 1 minus d. I0 upon 1 minus d. Are you getting the point? Okay, next can we find ISW average, that is a switch current, average switch current, average switch current. We can write average switch current, right? Average switch current, right? Average switch current. So we can write it as average switch current, that is the ISW average, ISW average, right? ISW average, if you check the switch current, so during on state, when switch is in the on state, at that time, if you check the circuit, you will understand when switch is in the on state, right? When switch is in the on state, at that time, the switch current, that is this current ISW, will be same as that of the IL, which is equal to IS only. Okay, but when switch is in the off state, at that time it is a zero, right? At that time ISW will be zero. Okay, so here ISW average is nothing but, yes, it is a, and we draw the waveform for the I switch ISW. Yes, we can draw the waveform for ISW. Yes, it is ISW. Yes, it is from 0 and it is the time 0 to t on only it will flow, t on to t it will be 0. Okay, so during 0 to t on it is the same as that of the IL is increasing, right? So same as that of the IL. So here we will be having this type of waveform. This is the t on, right? It is a I mean, this is a I max we will be having. Okay, so further we can redraw this diagram, right? Further we can redraw it as, yes, we can replace this linear shape with average, right? This is the t we are having 0 t on, right? T on, and this is capital T. Okay, so here we will be having IL average, after that it is a 0. Okay, so this is the ISW will be having, right? And this is IL average we are having, IL average. Okay, so now can we find the ISW average? Yes, it is equal to 1 by T integration from 0 to T on. It is ISW into dt, right? So is equal to what? 1 by T integration from 0 to T on. What is the switch current? It is IL average into dt, right? So therefore is equal to, we can write it as S is equal to, yes, it is equal to T on by T, T on by T into IL average. What is IL average? IL average is equal to, yes, it is a I0 upon 1 minus D. Okay, so we can write this T on by T into I0 upon 1 minus D. Okay, so this can be written as D upon 1 minus D, D upon 1 minus D into I0, right? This is what? Switch current average value of the current, ISW average. Are you getting the point? Okay, D upon 1 minus D into I0, right? But I0 is a constant current, so we can replace this I0 with a capital I0 also. Okay, this is the switch current average value. Similarly, can we find the switch current RMS? Yes, we can find the switch current RMS value also, expression. Okay, so ISW RMS switch current, RMS current, right? We can find ISW RMS. If you check ISW RMS is equal to what? It is equal to 1 by T integration from 0 to T on. Yes, it is having a value of IL average square into dt the power 1 by 2. Okay, so we can write it as a, yes, IL square is, IL average square is a constant, so take it outside. Okay, so it is like IL average, right, divided by root T. Okay, into, yes, we can write it as a under root T on. Okay, so it is equal to, what is IL average? IL average is I0 upon 1 minus D. Okay, so this can be written as under root D. This root T on by root T is nothing but the root D. Okay, into I0 average. What is I0 average? It is a I0, sorry, IL average. It is a I0 upon 1 minus D. Okay, so this can be written as, yes, under root D upon 1 minus D. Yes, is equal to under root D upon 1 minus D into I0 is nothing but ISW RMS. Are you getting the point? Okay, RMS value of the switch current. Okay, so this is about the some of the parameters related to the boost converter. In the next video we are going to discuss the remaining parameters related to the boost converter. Thank you.